my lord.
That is Incorporated Trustees of Nigeria, Union of Tailors and 3 others, and Incorporated Trustees of Tailors Association of Nigeria and 4 others.
Yes, sir.
Appearances, please. Appearances.
With due respect to my noble lord.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, my lord. With due respect to my noble lord. My lord, my name is DJ Akinde. My lord, I announce my appearance for the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th defendants.
How many defendants are there?
There are 5 defendants, my lord.
Okay, so you appear for the 1st to 4th defendants.
As the law pleases.
All right. Who is online for who? Claimant counsel.
My name is, with due respect to the court, I am T.O. Ayegbusi, Mrs. Assistant Director. T.O. Ayegbusi, Mrs.
T.O.
Yes, sir. Ayegbusi.
The Ayegbusi I know is a male.
This is his better half, my lord, sir.
Okay.
Better.
Oh, that's beautiful. Because I had taken judicial notice of Ayegbusi from Ministry of Justice on the state. I didn't know there is another one.
There is, sir.
T.O.
T.O. Ayegbusi, Mrs. Sir.
T.O.
Yes, sir. T.O. Ayegbusi.
Who is F.O.?
F.O. is the one handling the matter. He's otherwise engaged, sir.
He's Assistant Director.
Yes, Ministry of Justice. Yes, sir.
Legal drafting and something right.
This is T.O. Sir.
Okay, so you are T.O. Ayegbusi, but your designation. Your designation.
Assistant Director, sir.
Okay.
For the 5th defendant, my lord.
Just Assistant Director?
Assistant Director, Civil Advisory Department, Ministry of Justice, sir.
Civil Advisory Department.
Department, yes, sir. Ministry of Justice. For the 5th defendant, sir.
Okay, that's beautiful. Yes, claimant counsel. Abiodun Fasakin.
Network problem. Fasakin has been here since.
Is he online?
Yeah,
Can
he
you
has been here. My
confirm?
lord, he has been online since. I guess.
My lord, sir. My lord, sir.
Yes.
I'm sorry, my lord. It's network.
Yes. Okay,
Abiodun
please.
Fasakin, my lord. Abiodun Fasakin, my lord, is appearing for the claimants.
All right, this matter is for what today?
My lord, is for definite hearing, sir. And subject to the convenience of your lordship. We are ready, sir.
Definite hearing.
As complices.
Although, because of a principle within me, I can't remember me saying definite hearing.
It's for adoption, sir.
It's for adoption. Sorry, my lord.
It's for adoption, sir.
It's for adoption, sir.
Yes,
Sorry for not using the appropriate language, sir. Sorry, sir. It's for adoption, sir.
And are you ready?
We are ready, sir.
Okay. Akinde.
We are ready also, my lord.
Okay. Ayegusi.
We are ready, sir.
All right. So who is going first?
Ashaki, sir.
I think it's Akinde that is going first.
Ask my lord, please.
Yes, for adoption. Yes.
Ask my lord, please, my lord.
Eh? Oh, wait. I can't see. Is it originating summons?
Yes,
my lord.
So it's for hearing now. And you
Ask
made
my
me
lord,
accept adoption of 500 addresses. It's an originating summons.
Yes,
my lord.
So First Akin was rather right when he said it's for definite hearing, except for the use of the word definite.
Ask my lord, please. Ask my lord, please.
Okay. Okay, let me record in the thing we are ready. Here to see that we are ready. All right. The ball is in your court. First Akin.
Ask my lord, please. My lord, this suit instituted by said originating summons is dated 21st November 2022 and filed the same day.
Okay, 21st November.
21st November 2022, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, the question that the claimants are presented before your lordship for determination are as stated on the process, my lord. That is 7 questions.
It seeks for the
enough.
determination of 7 questions.
7 questions, my lord.
Yes. And then you will go to written address and begin to formulate issues again, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because I have found that that is the style you people do. You have already formulated questions for the court to determine. Then in your written address, you will still formulate issues. That is not proper. The questions are the issues. That is what you want the court to determine.
The court to determine.
So when you are formulating issues, I don't know, you want the court to do what?
We take the hint, sir. We take the hint, sir, and we are most obliged, sir. My lord, the relief sought.
You have 7 questions. How could those 7 questions be even compacted into one? You see, the problem is when you have 7 questions and then you are formulating one issue, the tendency is you will fail to address those 7 questions. Please, next time, your 7 questions are the issues for determination. You take them one by one and you make your submissions on them.
That's my lord, please.
Because this combined
issue.
This combined jollof rice of one issue for 7 questions. Please, I don't know. I usually find it makes my own work difficult. That's why I'm complaining.
Oh, we are sorry, sir. We are sorry.
Yes.
We are sorry. We take the hint, sir.
You have 7 questions for determinations and your issues for determination. That is originating summons.
As my Lord pleases, sir.
It's all right.
Yes, sir. My Lord, the reliefs claimed are 11 in all, sir, as stated on the process.
The reclaimed is supported by how many paragraphs of affidavit?
My Lord, is supported by 14 paragraph affidavit, sworn to by the third claimant, Prince Simeon Oyesola. And subject to the rules of court, sir, we have filed a written address.
No, before the written address, how many annexures?
4, my Lord, exhibits A, B, C, and D.
Then attached is a written address.
Written address, my Lord.
Yeah. Did you file a reply? Did you file a further affidavit?
Further affidavit. We did, sir. In reply to, in response to the counter affidavit of the defendants, we filed a further affidavit to the first and second defendants' counter affidavit, and is dated 15th March 2023. A lot is of 31 paragraphs. Further affidavit in reply to the first and second defendants' counter affidavits.
In response
to the first and second defendants' counter affidavits.
On what date?
My Lord, 15th of March, 2023. 15 March, 2023.
Affidavit. Was it through a motion?
Huh?
Was it through a motion?
My Lord, it was deemed as properly filed and served. It was deemed as properly filed and served at the last adjournment.
Was it through a motion? Yes.
Yes.
No, sir. Motion. What motion?
I can see. You file it via a motion now.
As my law places. As my law places. As my law places. Yes.
Please be sure. Be sure.
We are sure, sir.
I can see a motion of 15 March.
Yes,
2023.
Sir. Yes, sir. That is the motion to regularize the various further affidavits. That motion is dated 14th
in which you sought
March.
to file further affidavit in response to the first to fourth defendant counter affidavit. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, but the counter affidavit is reading claimant's further affidavit to the first and second defendant's counter affidavit. Is that correct?
It's correct, sir.
Read your own. Eh?
It's correct, sir. It's correct, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's correct, sir.
It is a how many paragraph counter affidavit?
It's 31 paragraph counter further affidavit, my lord. 31 paragraph further affidavit.
The initial one was how many paragraphs? The summons.
The one to the summons was 14 paragraphs.
14 paragraphs.
Yes, my lord.
Then in reply, now you are filing 30-something paragraph.
It was in response to the EU's research.
Which means the case started from the counter affidavit.
As my love pleases. As my love pleases.
Yes. The case is from counter affidavit. It started. Yes. Did you file any other reply?
Yes, sir.
Other further affidavit?
My lord, and next to this further affidavit is Exhibit B1.
Did you file any other further affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
Like
there is another further affidavit.
The fifth defendant counter affidavit.
Yes, sir. There is another further affidavit in response to the third and fourth defendant's counter affidavit.
Hi.
My lord, is of 31 paragraphs too.
That is the problem, honestly. You file a further affidavit in response to the first to fourth defendants, and then you have filed another counter affidavit in response to.
No, sir. It was in my motion.
The first to fourth defendants, are they not represented by one counsel?
No, sir. They are not. They are not.
But somebody just announced appearance for first to fourth defendants.
My lord, initially, it was not the case. That was the reason why we had to respond to each counter affidavit, sir.
You filed another further affidavit?
Yes, sir. Another further affidavit.
In response
to the third and fourth defendant's counter affidavit. My lord, is of 31 paragraphs.
In response to who? That.
So the third and fourth, 3 and 4, my lord. Third and fourth defendants counter affidavit. It's of 31 paragraphs, my lord. And lastly, my lord.
And it's filed when?
The same day, sir, 15th March, 2023. Previous relationship.
All right.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
The processes of 15th March 2023.
Yes, sir.
They came through a motion on notice.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? And the motion on notice sought to file further affidavit in response to the first to fourth defendant counter affidavit.
Yes, sir. The prayer 2 there, my lord,
is to file in response to fifth defendant counter affidavit.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So this one that you are now talking about counter affidavit, 2 separate counter affidavits with respect to the 4 these things. I can only see on the 15th March 2023 you filed further claimants further affidavit to the first and second defendants counter affidavit.
Yes,
that's the only process I can see before me. Then besides that, I can see counter affidavit, further affidavit. Okay, counter affidavit of the first and second defendant. Counter affidavit of third and fourth defendants. Okay, but that's your other process that you are. I see. I see they file separate for
They file
counter
separate
affidavit.
counter affidavit. Yes, my lord.
But yes. But sequel to your motion of 15th March 2023, I have before the court further affidavit to the first and second defendants counter affidavit only.
Yes, my lord. That was after Mr. Akinde now decided to appear for all of them. That was the reason why I had to catch them.
But I have only one counter affidavit from you. Further affidavit from you. That is further affidavit to the first and second defendant counter affidavit. That's the only further affidavit I have here.
My lord, that must be registry problem, because all the other further affidavits were duly signed by the
affidavit. Your further affidavit in response to the fifth defendant is not in my file.
My lord, with due respect to my lord, right from the section of this case, we file memorandum of appearance for the first to fourth defendants. There's no time I only appear for the first and second. I appear for the first, second, third, and fourth defendants. Right from the section of this case.
Please, let me finish with Clement first. Let me finish with Clement. We will come to you. Fifth defendant counter affidavit, yes.
My lord, if I may assist the court, it's like they stapled the three further affidavits together.
Who stapled them together, if not you?
As my lord pleases.
You should know separate processes so that you give them separately, so that they will assess them separately. And that's true.
It was.
You see what I have here. And you say Clemens further affidavit to the first and second defendant. Is oh. Bring stapler. These are separate processes. You should separate them so that when you talk about one, I look for it when it's my
That's my lord pleases. That's my lord pleases.
I'm looking at my file to and fro to look for those processes.
Hey, sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord. We are hopefully sorry for that, my lord.
That is not how to do this thing. And that one may be two. One of them has little addresses. They don't have.
Third and fourth.
That's an address. This one. Okay. Staple them together. Staple them together. In fact, if we had looked at it. You see, you did something that is, I don't know. You have filed 3 separate counter affidavits, and then they are accompanied by 1 written address. And probably that is why you stapled all of them together. So it's not the fault of my registry.
As my offices.
But the problem is that they would have assessed for you only 1. Let me see. You see, they have assessed for you only 1.
Let me check.
So they are going to make additional assessment for you on the other counter affidavits.
Further affidavits, my lord.
Oh.
Further affidavits.
The other further affidavits, you see what this man did was. There are 3 separate further affidavits. Okay. He has 200. You understand? So they put them together. So they have assessed him only for 1 oath. You see? But there are 2 oaths. And then the exhibit, only 1. How many annexures?
My lord, that is exhibit, just 1.
Annexure.
1 annexure, my lord.
How? Are you sure?
Yes, my lord.
I can see Pastor King Chambers. That's a
Yes,
letter.
Yes, sir.
Then I can see Foreign Affairs Commission.
As my lord pleases.
Acknowledgement of filing of annual return.
We'll refer to that, my lord.
Okay, a lot of those are they all okay? They are all attachments to the letter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are they?
Yes, sir. No, sir. They are the
no,
one. My
we
lord,
are talking about assessment for payment here. So are they separate exhibits or are they annexed to that letter?
They are separate documents, my lord. I'm with you, my lord. My lord is exhibits.
Are they separate exhibits or they are all annexed to your letter?
No, sir. They are exhibits to the further affidavit. That is exhibit
They
B1.
are all separate exhibits.
Yes, sir.
You see? Come. Exhibit 20 naira. Is that not 1? No, that's not. Okay. All right. Continue to identify your processes now.
As copies. My lord, we equally file a further affidavit to the 5th defendant's counter affidavit on 15th March 2023. My lord, is of 18 paragraphs.
On what date? 15th.
15th March, my lord, 2023. Sir.
It is of how many paragraphs?
My lord.
It's of how many paragraphs?
18, my lord. 18 paragraphs.
Now, although it's late, but out of curiosity,
yes, sir.
I want to ask you,
yes, sir.
These 3 further affidavits,
yes, sir.
You filed 1 written address, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So why couldn't you file 1 further affidavit in response to all of them? Just the way you file 1 written address.
My lord, is because of the fact that filing 1 further affidavit into all of them might create a lot of ambiguity. There might be slips.
And yet 1 written address in respect of all the 3 affidavits cannot create ambiguity.
No, sir. Because, my lord, most humbly, our feeling is that the address is legal issues, it's legal arguments. It will be the same for all times. But the affidavit is in respect of certain facts.
There is no how, anyway, maybe, but I was thinking maybe if you are having the same argument for all, that means we are talking about the same facts or the same point of law.
As my lord places, except that the response of each set of the defendants are different.
Okay.
They raise different issues.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Much
all
obliged.
right. You have identified all your processes so far.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, my lord, in compliance with the rules, we have filed a reply address. Dated.
A reply address in respect of what?
A reply address to the first to fifth defendants' addresses.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, we most humbly adopt the respective written addresses as filed.
Yes.
And we humbly urge your lordship to grant our reliefs as claims, sir.
Yes. Any submission in adumbration?
My lord, none, sir. Not to waste the time of your lordship, sir.
All right.
Good, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. First to
No.
Council.
Yes, my lord.
That is Ashinde.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, response to the claimant's originating summons.
Yes.
In response.
Why is it now that your end is having problem?
Sorry, my lord. Maybe it is network.
Good. It's clearer now.
I copy.
You filed what?
My lord, the first and second development filed. Don't they file the counter affidavit?
First and second defendant.
First and second, my lord.
Yes.
File a joint counter affidavit, my lord. The response to the affidavit in support of the claimants or united summons.
I don't know how you people do your things. You filed memorandum of appearance for the four of them.
Yes, my lord.
Isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. The first and second defendants filed a joint counter affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
On.
Hello, it was filed on 13
February 2023
and deemed as properly filed the order of the lordship.
Somebody filed a 14 paragraph affidavit. and you are filing a 25 paragraph affidavit with so many children. 25 paragraph, but most of them have children. Just to respond to a 14 paragraph affidavit.
Because of the
then the man now filed 31 paragraph reply for the affidavit. Yes.
Well, they can't conduct the first and second development.
It is accompanied by how many annexures?
Well, it's
How many annexures? How many? Simple.
My Lord, 7, my Lord, 7.
7.
Yes, my Lord.
And a written address.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord,
the third and fourth defendants also filed a counter affidavit.
Yes, my Lord.
On
13th February
2023.
Properly filed, my Lord, by the order of this honorable court.
That one is also a how many paragraph counter affidavit?
26, my Lord. It's 26, my Lord.
It is a 26. Also with children.
Also.
And how many annexures?
7 annexures, my Lord. 7, my Lord. 7.
The way I am seeing this thing is like the 2 affidavits are almost the same content.
I know they are very similar.
They are very similar.
Very similar, my Lord. The issue was because the first and second brothers the second divider is the one.
And a written address.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes. Yes. Do you adopt?
My Lord will hopefully adopt 20 the respective addresses of our argument and submission.
Yes. And what do you urge the court?
I urge the Lordship to dismiss the claims of the claimants. My Lord, with substantial cause.
All right.
Lord, no, nothing to add, my Lord.
Okay, thank you very much.
What good, sir?
Ayegusi.
Yes, sir. My Lord, sir, in opposing these originating summons, the 5th defendant filed a counter affidavit, sir, dated the 14th day of December, 2022, my Lord. Attached alongside the counter affidavit. 14th day of December, sir, 2022. And alongside the counter affidavit, sir, we have 6 annexures, sir.
It is dated 14th day of December and filed
yes, when? 2022, sir. Yes, sir.
And filed when?
It was filed on the same day, sir. Filed on the same day, on the same 14th, sir. And we have 6 annexures, my lord. Marked exhibits A to E, sir.
It is a 31 paragraph.
Yes, sir. The 31 paragraph
Counter affidavit.
Yes, sir.
And
Dated 14th.
Yes. How many annexures?
6 annexures, sir. Marked exhibits A to E, sir. And the 5th defendant, sir, has also filed a written address.
Yes. Do you adopt?
Yes, sir. I humbly adopt the written address in support of a counter affidavit to the originating summons, sir.
Yes.
And all the arguments contained therein, sir.
Yes.
And we urge your lordship to dismiss the case of the claimants for not only being frivolous, but also mischievous, sir, with substantial cost.
Any submission in
Nil, sir.
breast?
Nil, sir. Nil, sir. The court should dismiss it. Yes, sir. There is no further adumbration, my lord.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Case adjourned for judgment on a date to be communicated to parties.
As the court pleases. Much grateful, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Much obliged. Yes.
Well, I think that is all for the Zoom proceedings today, and we shall all leave
Grateful, sir.
the meeting.
Grateful, sir. Oh, yeah, what happened?
I hear you. Did they laugh?
My lord, by this salon.
Not the love.